Please Google this. I will show this issue with a comment. Google this comment. How can I type out? How can I find the type of variables in Python? Yeah, in Python. Yes. To determine the type of a variable in Python, use the built-in. Built-in means this method function previously has built in Python, and you can use that. Another built-in function was lower. Do you remember what did we do with lower? Type is another built-in function in Python. Scroll down. Scroll down. I want to see if we can. Yeah, Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow was our best friend in developing. I wanted to know if I can see something in Stack Overflow or not. Scroll down. I is equal to 1, 2, 3. Type I. Please copy these two lines, just these two lines. Yes, on line 10, Control V also delete the extra 3 character. Yeah. Yeah. I equal 123. Now print type I, not type. Put the type I in the print. Select and control. Select type I and control X to cut it. Control X. Yeah, put it in the pipe print. In the parentheses. Control V. Yes, because you cut it. Control S and execute your code. Class integer. The type of I now is integer. Now put quotation marks. Put 123 in the quotation. Yeah, turn it into now an string. Control S and execute. Yeah, now you can see the type of I now is a string. Okay? Very good. Now, please uncomment the line 2. Yeah. Hit the. No. Just that line. Yeah. Control. Very good. Very good. Also on line 12, please print the type of print type in parentheses your variable name, which is number. Now put your number variable. Very good. Okay, you can also comment line 7, 8, and 9. We don't need that. Select them again. Yeah, control slash. Very good. Control S to save it. Execute. First, it want a number from you. I want you to give it a number. 8. Yeah. 8. Class is a string. Class is a string. Both. First one is for line 11, and second one is for line 12. Okay? Both of are a string. So you can now also delete line 10 and 11. I just wanted you to know how type works. Now Control S and execute. Yeah, give it a number. Yeah. The line 10 execute and gives you the type of your number. And the type of it is a string. So when you wanna execute your 5, the code in your 5 line, and add 5 to the number, you cannot add 5 to a string variable. You have to somehow change the number to integer.